We're back in the lab with Nulife kicks cleaning a pair of powder blue Jordan 3s. I'm Mike C. Let's get started. Before cleaning, assess the shoe and its materials. Here at Nulife Kicks, we like to call it ASAR. This shoe in particular is faux suede and faux nubuck. First, in our 3-step suede cleaning process is pretreatment, also known as dry cleaning. This is the most important part when cleaning suede and nubuck. The objective of pre-treating is to remove as much dirt as possible while the shoe is completely dry. You will rotate between the 4-way crepe brush and the dual-sided eraser throughout this whole process. Now look at the difference between the right and left side of that elephant print. Pre-treat the shoe panel by panel so your cleaning is nice and even. Attack the dirt at different angles using all rubber sides of the 4-way crepe brush. Angle the rubber sides to remove dirt in hard to reach places like stitching and leather cuts between the midsole. The brass brush can be too abrasive on short suedes. For this pair, we won't be using it. Remove anything sticky on the shoe before spraying Just Suede. Here we're using the X-Acto knife to lightly scratch the surface. Be careful not to alter the integrity of the suede. A good pre-treatment will help avoid liquefying any dirt and possibly staining your shoe. Second in our 3-step suede cleaning process is treatment. Shake and spray Just Suede evenly around the shoe. Let the shoe sit for at least 60 to 90 seconds while Just Suede works its magic. For stubborn dirt, you can spray more Just Suede as needed and use a microfiber towel for a closer clean. Lastly, in the 3-step suede cleaning process is post-treatment. This is done after allowing the shoe to fully dry. The post-treatment tools are the same as the pre-treatment. The objective in post-treatment is to recondition and soften the suede. If the suede lightens, don't panic. That's natural for suede and nubuck. Revitalize the color with a final spray of Just Suede when completed. Now check out that buttery suede action. Easily protect your investments using Just Suede. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.